Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Land Rover remote key fob. What we need to do first is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. We do this by pressing this little button here and the blade will slide out. Like so. Now what we need to do is we need to get a little flat-headed screwdriver, and just in between these two indentations here, we can just put the blade in and give it a twist. And then again down this end, pop the blade in and the case comes apart. And there is your key fob battery. We just get your little screwdriver again and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get a new key fob battery and we just slide it back into the housing, making sure on this key fob that the writing is facing upwards on the battery and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it back together. So you get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up, and we just click it back together. Now we just pop the blade back where it came from. And there you go. It's all done.